Hello students, this question is taken from test series 2 EE from the subject power systems, from the topic power system stability. In the given question, the power angle characteristics of an infinite bus system is given PE as 1.2 sin delta, which is nothing but the electrical power output of the generator, that is PE is given as 1.2 sin delta. At the operating point, the stiffness coefficient of the synchronous machine is given as 0.6. The stiffness coefficient of synchronous machine, which is nothing but 0.6 per unit. The loading, we have to find the value of loading on the machine in per unit value, which is nothing but we have to find the value of loading of the machine, that is PE, in per unit value. In order to find the loading on the machine, first we will calculate the value of rotor angle, that is delta. Then we can find the value of loading on the machine, that is PE per unit. First, the value of PE in steady state, the generator rotating at mechanical speed which equals to the synchronous speed, which is nothing but in the steady state the generator is rotating at the mechanical speed which is equal to the synchronous speed. So the value of electrical power is equal to mechanical power which is equal to the synchronous speed. Then PE is equal to P max sin delta. P max sin delta, in the given question the value of PE is equal to 1.2 sin delta. From here we can get the value of P maximum as 1.2, where the stiffness coefficient is equal to the synchronous power. Stiffness coefficient we can equal to the synchronous power, where synchronous power, which is nothing but PSY synchronous power, is equal to P maximum cos delta. The value of stiff coefficient is given in the question, 0.6 PU is equal to P max, which is nothing but 1.2 into cos delta. From here we can calculate the value of delta is equal to 60 degrees, which is nothing but delta is nothing but the rotor angle. We have find the value of rotor angle, that is 60 degrees. Then we can find the value of loading on the machine, that is PE given in the question, PE infinite bus is equal to 1.2 sin delta. The value of delta is 60 degrees. Substitute the value of delta is equal to 16 degrees. Then we will get the value of electrical power output, that is 1.04 per unit, which is nothing but 1.04 per unit. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the value of loading on the machine in per unit. Thank you.